compared to any other.
The state president of AITC, Charles Pingrove, on Monday said that nobody is going to join the BJP after the elections, as it is a figment of somebody's imagination. Earlier, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong had alleged that the AITC MLAs will join the BJP after the polls. Charles, who filed the nomination papers to seek re-election from Nongthamai constituency, said that nobody is going to join the BJP. This is a figment of somebody's imagination. However, when the same question was raised before Union Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh, he said that the matter would be discussed after the announcement of election results.
Let's leave it as allegations only and speculation. Don't worry, we will not leave no one.
Meanwhile, the candidates who filed their nomination